Hi boys and girls, I'm Quentin, and today we're going to look at where milk comes from and how it makes its way into our fridges. It all starts with a cow. Well, lots of cows out at a dairy farm. At the dairy farm, cows spend their days eating grass and resting before it is time to be milked. Cows are milked at a milking shed. They line up along a milking machine, which has special suction cups that connect to the cow's teats. It doesn't hurt the cow as the machine pumps the milk out. The milk from each cow flows through tubes all the way to a large storage vat, which keeps the milk cool. A big milk tanker then arrives at the milking shed to collect the milk. A tube is connected to the storage vat, which pumps the milk into the milk tanker. Once all the milk is collected, the milk tanker takes the milk to a milk processing factory. The milk is then pumped out from the milk tanker into another large storage vat. Inside the milk processing factory, the milk goes through a special process to remove all germs and bacteria, which makes it safe for us to drink. Once the milk is ready, it's time for it to be packaged. Empty cartons run along a processing machine and are labelled. The label shows us what type of milk is in the carton. Milk is then pumped into the cartons, filling them all the way to the top. Once the cartons are full of milk, the machine puts a lid on the carton to keep the milk nice and fresh. The milk cartons are then placed into crates. The milk crates are then loaded onto a truck. The milk truck then takes the milk to shops. When the truck arrives at a shop, the milk crates are unloaded. The milk cartons are then placed onto a refrigerated shelf, ready for people to buy. At home, milk is kept in the fridge. This keeps the milk cool, so when you are ready to drink it, it is nice and fresh. Milk is really good for us. It keeps our bones and teeth healthy and strong. Milk is not only used for drinking, it is also used to make cheese, cream, butter, ice cream, yogurt, and many other delicious things. Yum yum! I love milk. Do you have time to do my quiz?